okay, okay lang man. Go on with your pangarap. Go on kung ano ang nasimulan mo. Pero kung something wrong, huwag mo sukuan. Push mo lang at tiyak ma-achieve mo yun. Okay, next. Next po, Arlene Ramos. This is for you, Arlene Ramos. Arlene Ramos, this is for you. Kindly tap, tap, tap and share our lives. Please, Arlene, ma, may bad news po ba about family this month? Okay, check natin, Arlene, ha. Kung may bad news bang matatanggap ang family ni Arlene this month. Okay, check natin. So far, Arlene Ramos, wala naman. Wala namang matatanggap ng family mo. Maraming salamat. At bakit naman sa dami-dami ng tanong yun pa? So far, hindi. Wala. Okay? Next po. Okay, wait. Next. Hello, Casey. Okay, next po tayo, no? Next.